Alright.
Alrighty.
Hello, Grace.
No, I'm a Paw Patrol. Daddy, I'm
Hello.
not Grace. I'm Paw Patrol.
Hello, Paw Patrol.
Today, I saw a cat. Shut. I want this.
Cũng được.
I'm gonna read whatever I want. I will skip this book.
Whatever you want. Oh, whatever you want.
Whatever I want.
Jasper and Ollie.
Ollie đâu?
Ollie đâu?
Đây.
Jasper đâu?
Đây.
Đúng rồi.
Just Ollie is the.
The.
I don't know.
Con này là con gì?
It's really slow.
I know. Đây con gì ấy nhỉ?
Con sloth.
Đúng rồi, con sloth.
And
Con Jasper là con gì?
Jasper là fox.
Đúng rồi. Con sloth là con lười nhá. Lười.
It's a sloth. It moves really slow like this.
Đúng rồi. Nào.
They're hold on tight on the branch so they won't fall off.
Đúng rồi, chính xác. And what do they eat?
I think leaves.
Đúng rồi. They eat leaves.
What else?
Fruit?
Pancakes?
No. I mean, yeah, in this picture, the sloth eat pancake. But in the real life, in the jungle, in reality.
Not in the house?
Not in the house. Come on. They live in the forest. Right?
They're gonna steal some food.
No. They eat leaves. Okay, sit next to me.
No, in this picture, they're stealing.
No, in this picture, they have a house. Okay? They have dining table. They have...
This is their house?
Yeah. Hey, Ollie, what do you want to do today? Wait, I know. Let's go to the pool. What do you think, Ollie? Should we go to the pool? Ollie, hey, Ollie, do you want to go to the pool? Sounds good to me. Great. I raised you there on your... Hey, focus. If you don't want to read, we can stop. But if I read, you have to
Focus.
put the toy over here and stick over here. Let's focus. Okay? On your mark, get set. See? The fox run very fast to the...
I don't know.
To
the pool.
He did it. See? To the pool. I am the champion. I wonder what's taking Ollie so long. Oh, he should have been here by now. Wait, that sneaky Ollie. I bet he is here. I just didn't see him go past. Aw, Ollie, he is so slow.
And he's fast?
Mm-hmm. Fox is really fast, but Ollie really slow.
He's brave.
Yeah, he's so brave. Remember, you have this one in the pool. Are you scared? No, right? Okay, so. Aw, Ollie. You are so slow. See? And Fox keep searching for Ollie. Hi.
Can he do what?
He asking the lifeguard hippo, where is his friend Ollie? See?
And why is green?
That's the water. A lot of animals in the water. Ew, that's ugly. That's dirty, huh? Oh, look. Ollie helping the turtle paint the fence. Come on, Ollie. See? Ring.
Daddy, why the the bell rings.
That's evacuation, Ola.
What happened?
The fox tried to get everybody out of the water. See?
Why?
Every out because he wants to look for Ollie. Yeah. So the hippo decided to throw him out because he's so trouble. Aw, hey Jasper.
What happened?
There's a fox.
He caught.
He's so sad.
He couldn't get out. He couldn't be in.
Yeah.
What kind of ice cream is his?
This one?
Yeah.
Pistachio. A mint.
What's this?
Mint. This one is the vanilla. Okay.
Daddy, I want to see which the baby one. Daddy, why what color? Why the water's so green?
Because there's a lot of people in there.
And
Dirty.
why, Daddy, I want to see the baby tiger just eat make chocolate. One chocolate. Where is it? Where's the baby tiger has
Right there.
orange.
No, right there. You pass it. Move it. Move it. Right there. Open it. Keep going. Right there.
Daddy, I want to see the baby kangaroo won the chocolate ice cream.
Okay, you can find it.
I thought I saw it. Why the evacuation ring?
Because the baby kangaroo is eating chocolate ice cream. See that?
Yes.
Okay, now another book.
Why the baby kangaroo just why a ring?
No, the fox press on the pool evacuation ring, so everybody has to get out of the water.
Why?
Because the fox wants to see where the Ollie, his friend. Okay. Ready? Road crew coming through construction site. 6 mighty friends are on their way to help with something big today.
Daddy, what happened to the...
Listen, when I finish it, you can ask. Okay? Don't jump into me like that. Don't jump into the reading like that. Okay?
Yeah.
6 mighty friends are on their way to help with something big today. They off to work on something new. So, how many equipment? How many cars in here? Count.
This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6.
6 of them. Okay.
6 of them.
So what is this?
I don't know.
I don't know. You don't know?
What kind
Bulldozer.
of bulldozer?
How about this one?
No, this is the bulldozer.
Hmm.
I think this one.
Is a...
Think
What is that? Roller.
roller.
Okay. Now, what is this?
Rain truck.
How about this?
Dump truck.
How about this?
I think excavator. It takes a lot of dirt. Hey, Dad. Trunk and mixture, Daddy.
What is this?
I don't know.
Concrete?
Mixer. Daddy. What happened to the building?
I don't know. To join the big road building crew, there's a giant job to do. Compactor, scrape, and glider cheers, honk, roller, and stripper get in to give room. Water truck is set to go, and pavers pies,
Water truck though.
and blow. Hả?
Water truck though.
Làm gì có water truck đây này? Water truck đây này. See? Get the water from the tank and bring the water to the construction site. Okay, rumbling, breathing, shaking ground. All the trucks now gather round.
What he doing? What?
He's as a crane. They make a route from here to there. So this is the map. That's a blueprint. Okay. With careful planning, thought and care, the team will build it load by load. A superhighway mega excavator to begin. Gets to work by digging in, scooping heavy loads with ease. He lifts out boulders, trash and tree.
Trash though.
Trash đây này. Skid steers doing her part too, and in no time at all they through. They clear tons of loads today, and dump truck hauls them all away. Big bulldozers.
Who put water in there? Water truck?
No, that's a lake. That's a big lake. Nobody.
Who did it?
That's a lake. Come on, who did that?
I think.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's figure that out. Okay, maybe. Big bulldozer rolls on side, pushing through with all his might, clearing stumps and rocks and rubble, ripping, tearing without trouble. Then sturdy scraper is at hand to move the earth and reshape land. With care and speed, she rolls along, cutting, clearing smooth and strong. With her sharp and rugged blade, the embankment and roadbed are made.
Daddy, what is this?
What is that? Excavator?
I think it's a hook.
Yeah.
I'm fighting.
Ở đây này.
Yes, I'm right.
No, it's not right. That's a big lake, and this water truck just spray water on the road. You're wrong. It's a big lake. Come on. When the grid begins to fly, water truck is standing by. Her jet squirts water on the ground, so dust and dirt won't blow around.
Daddy, why the road?
She's keeping the air clear today, so all the trucks can see their way. Compactor has dropped his lights, rolling, screeching with his pipe. His heavy wheels push down hard, smashing, mashing yard by yard. Now Redder knows just what to do. Her blade will easily cut through, layering each bump and groove. She leaves the surface flat and smooth. Her hoppers feel now paver ready. Slowly rolling strong and steady. Her screed arm lays the asphalt down. A strong new layer on the ground.
Strong little layer.
Spreading black top all the way. She covered this whole road today. See, they're making a road. Roller 22-ton load goes over every inch of road, back and forth until he's done. He smashed down on every ton.
Tongue though.
Every ton, every ton. Ton là it's a measurement.
Daddy,
It's the measurement
Daddy,
unit. It's really heavy.
I want to tell you something.
What?
So these construction site just put this one just why this one just
Pushing, squirting just like that. He makes the surface hard and flat. See? Now, a bridge and overpass needs strong concrete so it will last. Cement mixer drives onto the scene, pouring each load smooth and clean. Then he starts the curve and gutter. He churns and pours without a splatter. Lining
splatter though.
splatter đấy là vậy đấy. Laying both sides of the street with miles and miles of fresh concrete. Ooh, crane truck, hangs the sides and lines, and set them in on straight and tie. He holds them firmly. They won't sway on this very windy day. Đây, con thấy đường chưa? Look.
Yeah.
And now, before the work's complete, stripper truck will mop the street. Ribbon spray on, clean and bright.
He's doing what?
He draw the ribbon in the middle of the road. So this is the left.
This is
the
the
right.
beetle?
Beetle?
Yeah.
Ribbon.
Ribbon.
Spray on clear and bright. Some are yellow, some are white. Solid double and dashes line show all the traffic where to go. So there's just one more thing to do.
Who direct the traffic?
Nobody. That's the interstate. So everybody just drive themselves, right? There's just one more thing to do. Let the traffic all drive through. The road is opened up at last, and all the cars
It's
go
not close.
sweeping fast. No. Everyone is on their way, heading home to end their day. See, all the truck now. The truck turns back to look and smile. This is awesome, every mile. This great big job was tough but fun, and now they try off one by one. Proud that they have done their best, the truck row goes home to get some
Fresh.
Đúng rồi. Away they rumble out of sight. Good job, road builder, and good.
Good night.
Đúng rồi. The end rồi. Ngủ rồi.
I read two
The two long books. Very good.
good
Good.
book.
Yeah.